Babe! Oh my god.
What's up? This is the Terrence R channel, and it's the night before our Fort Lauderdale trip, and she's grumpy. Look at her. Here, let's get her on video. She's a little grumpy, but you know what? We're gonna make the best of it. Stay tuned. Right now it's getting late. It's like 1 o'clock. That's why she's like, why haven't I went to bed yet? Because I'm baking muffins.
What kind of muffins?
Special muffins. So, So at our first stop right here in Fort Lauderdale, checking out the vegan menu here, and I'm probably gonna get this vegan breakfast burrito, or I'm thinking vegan breakfast sandwich. I'm not sure yet, but great options, great things to do. So let me order something. Look at her. She was grumpy just moments ago, but now that we've stopped to get food. By the way, we're back here on the Terrence R channel.
You don't stop. This is so good.
What did you get, babe? What are you eating?
Falafel wrap.
Falafel wrap? How is it? It's good? And he brought the good stuff. So, that's right. We just got into the room at Sinesta. So let me take this mask off real quick. I haven't been in the bathroom here. Let me see what's going on in here. Looks like stand-in shower, you know, toilet, all that good stuff. Yeah. So, let's look at that view though. Look at the view that we got out here, man. This is wild. Yeah, so that's the hotel room. It's not real much. It's just the bathroom. It's the bathroom, the bed, but we paid for the view, and that's it.
That's warm.
Oh yeah. So we made it out here, Fort Lauderdale. We at the beach now.
Babe.
Bro, look how big this pizza is. Look how big this pizza is. Back on Terrence R channel right now. This is 8:45 a.m. Let me show you what's going on outside. It's the morning. It's beautiful out here. You're still tuned into the Terrence R channel, and right now we're gonna be approaching this place right here called what is the name of this?
Coffee House. Or Circle House.
Circle House Coffee. So we're gonna see what it's like. I'm gonna run up in there with with wifey and we're gonna get coffee. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah, you know why? You know why? Because I got a picture of you at Starbucks.
So never mind about the other place we were at, because now we're at it doesn't say it on there. We're here. So because there was nowhere to park. We're back on the Terrence R channel here. And now we're on the boat and shit. Look at this. Oh, fire. Oh, fire.
60-foot man who's a sport yacht. Well, when he purchased the yacht, he realized he had to go far out back to park it. So half that yacht was there. And you see at the boat itself for around $1.5 million, so about $2 million capital steel there with that motor setup. You can see down to the left. It is one of our top rated out here, out on the water. And you can work out motor starter calories up top there on the second floor at the gym. It's not too bad at the Riverside Hotel and the boathouse. And like I said, make sure you guys wave to everybody out here. Some of these people you guys are waving to are retired millionaires. The more times you got waved to these retired millionaires, the longer they live, right? There's not much. Again, Mr. Wayne Huizinga. Like I said, the man practically owns everything down here in Fort Lauderdale. There's still plenty more that he can donate back to us down here in our city. Like I said, don't let anything get to you. Family business on these bricks, and so on the count of 3, I want you to say hello to Mr. Johnson there on the right-hand side, all right? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, Mr. Johnson. Give a nice big wave there on the right-hand side. Like I said, it is a family business on these bricks, and Mr. Johnson here at Angels Down the Bridge is a brother back to Dirt Avenue. Like I said, it is a family business on these bricks, and continue off to the right-hand side and get the Rivertail restaurant there. That Rivertail restaurant is my personal favorite restaurant. Reason being, it is one of the top rated as well. You know, the IMAX is a 5-story tall movie screen, and you guys have real experience. And I see some of you guys already pointed it out. It's going to be off to the right-hand side there. I want you guys to tell me, what does that name stand for? That box space for the homeowner. But it's a fortune. We'll think about $3,000 a month behind a private residence. All these yachts are here for fortune. Oh, yeah, absolutely. These yachts are a fortune. And you guys might want to, will I be able to afford one more day? The answer is yes, absolutely. If you won the lottery. So we're going to take that as an example there. Let's say you guys win $400 million in the lottery. So you guys want to buy a yacht around that 150-foot mark there. 150-foot yacht is going to cost around $25 million right out the door. Right? We're going to try and buy a used one here. About $20 million. So $20 million right out the door. Still got $380 in the bank. That $20 million price tag is not including the price of the captain, the crew, the maintenance, or the fuel. That captain's going to make anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a foot on the yacht. Making anywhere from $100. Don't happen often, but it's something to consider after owning the yacht a couple of years. And if you still got all that money lying around, and you still got fuel, without fuel, you're not going to be able to move your yacht there. And to fill up your fuel on a vessel around the 150-foot mark, it's going to cost around $80,000 to fill up.
Look at this one right here.
After every second or third use. So, if you guys have to buy a yacht, you need to go fill up your fuel tank. I always suggest you guys to make sure you fill up your fuel tank here at LMC. If you fill up your fuel tank there at LMC, we give you a free 6-pack of beer. It's worth it.
Nice.
Like I said, I'm all for it. Go ahead and buy a yacht there. I feel like you might get grumpy within 5 or 6 years. Ask anybody here on board who's on the yacht, or who's on the boat, who's sold a boat. I've done both myself, right? Just think about the best thing I like to get off the boat and dance all day. Everything else in between just stress and anxiety. He has custom made seating here on board between the parties off the boat and seated
Bro,
in our dining room.
what even is this shit?
Once these like the parties off the boat and seated in our
That's what you do it if you want.
So I ain't gonna miss us when we leave. Like, you know, like, yeah, for like birthday, you like, yeah, and then you get back into your routine. For a week, and then what's coming?
We just sat down inside here. Look at this place. It's dark and you cannot see the veggies and rice or the chicken, but it's good.
You better not grab me here. Listen, he's off limits, guys.
What was that? The guy with the deer is winning it. You
You
killed
would
it.
have done that
Hell yeah.
for real?
Yeah. I'm trying to have
What
fun.
about
I'm on
like, that's my
vacation.
husband?
Yeah, I'm on vacation. I'm trying to have fun. My guy with the deer shit killing it though.
See, I would have done what the girl's doing.
What, run up under?
Just
He's gonna get fired. You get it? You get it, right?
Baby, ready to be dead.
She said, what if he drops it? I said, he's gonna get fired. Welcome back to the Terrence R channel. We just finished our our show inside and dinner. They had like fire Tahitian guys or some shit, wherever they were, Polynesian, magic trick, some guys in there singing and shit. But we just in the boat. We ready to
Hello,
go
guys.
home. We just ready to go home and shit. Or go back and get the car and then probably walk around and get some drinks or something. It's Saturday night, so you know.
Best video.
I know. What's going on? We're back at the Terrence R channel now. It's my last day here in Fort Lauderdale with this beautiful one over here. And let's look at this sunshine. I'm happy we were able to get sunshine and a nice, beautiful summer day. know what I mean? So get dressed. We're gonna go do some more stuff and get some more views, some more shots. Know what I mean, let's do it. Beautiful, sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So, Terrence R here, and you know it's my last day here in Fort Lauderdale. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to find something sweet. And yes, you know, as I am a vegan, it is tough. I might go ahead and break some rules today, though. We'll see what happens. That's right. What we have here is a flying saucer from Publix. Let's go ahead and open this up and check this out. Oh, there's actually 2 donuts down there too. Anyway, so the flying saucer.
My mom was in love with the Carmen Miranda image and her movies. She would act them.
That's right. Terrence R here, back again. And you know what? It's our last day here. It's our last day here. Let's take a look outside. What we're leaving. It's beautiful, Fort Lauderdale, you know. So we have fun. What was your favorite part of the trip, babe? Come here.
Being with you.
Come here. Being with me? Oh yeah. Did you enjoy the boat cruise yesterday?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that was fun. Except those stairs.
Yeah, we sat next to some sours, so. But we're gonna go hit a souvenir shop and then some dinner and buy some cool stuff for the people we love. So we'll be back. Video, I thought it was a picture. That shit is sick.
Oven roasted chili and sea bass, or should I get the?
So many options. This is Terrence R, and we're back at season 52 right now, restaurant, and we're getting some food. You know what I mean? And she doesn't know what she wants to get to eat right now. But I'm gonna get. I'm gonna say get the chili and sea bass. What are you thinking?
I was asking you.
I'm thinking the chili and sea bass. You know what I'm saying? Bro, he said this was hot and he was not joking. This thing is hot. Look at all these marvelous desserts we're about to eat right now. She's waiting. How do you feel, baby?
Like I don't want to leave.
I don't want to leave either, but we're gonna do it, and it's time to go back, man. We're leaving the restaurant right now. It's approximately 7:15, and we're out. See you later, Fort Lauderdale. On to our next adventure with Terrence R and Katina.
You better stop.
Terrence R here. We're finally back from our vacation. This is the morning after we just got back from Fort Lauderdale. How are you feeling?
Terrible.
Terrible. We miss it. But here we are, back home in Claremont, Florida. Yes, indeed. Till our another adventure. Now, I'll see you later. I'm dark now.